The weather is absolutely beautiful, and honestly this is the last thing I actually expected to be doing today, but things worked out, so today we'll be making the first steelhead trip of the year, baby. Right now we're picking up my buddy Corey. My buddy Corey is one of the best like steelhead fishermen I know. Today he says we're gonna be just, you know, tackling some spots, throwing some center pins. I don't center pin fish at all. I don't even have a center pin. I'm using one of his today. So today we're changing it up and we're doing something a little bit different. Every once in a while I'll throw a center pin. I'm not a huge fan of it, but it's a good way to get on fish, especially when it's early in the year. So we're gonna pick him up and we're gonna head to a couple of spots and hopefully get on some fish. Let's see if I remember how to do this at all. Oh, okay, well, there we go. Already off to a good start. I already remember how to do it so good. There we go. All right, back in business. Ooh, baby. Yeah, I'm not very good at center pinning. I'm a rookie to say the least. But, you know, I figured it out. One day, I just don't think I was meant for this. Oh, going on a little hike right now. After like a solid hour of walking through the woods, we friggin' made it. After a solid minute of walking, we should be good. What do you think?
Yeah, no, I'm down. No one's here.
That's what I'm saying. Was that for sure a fish? Did he break you off?
No. You came up first though.
Oh yeah? Well, that's good. Corey hooked into the first fish of the day. You sure? You positive? Yeah, I'm positive. 99.99? Yeah. That's good. Dude, I don't know how to use these things. Oh, I just wasn't made for it. There you go. Corey's on. Nice. Little guy. Little skipper. Cool. Dude, that is like the smallest one I've ever seen out of here. Where are you going? There you go. They're here though, on the white. Man, well, 'tis the season to get in the first fish out of the river we hate the most. Okay, I'm literally like the worst center pin angler that ever existed in the time of fishing ever. I'm honestly, guys, I don't center pin at all. Like, this is not like a thing that I plan on taking up. It's just something I decided to give a try once in a while because my buddy's got an extra rod. So yeah, I don't know. I would like to catch one steelhead. Just one. Just one. Just you either get it or you don't. Like, some days I feel like, yeah, I know what I'm doing. Then after that, it's just like, nope. So who knows? Who knows if I know? All right, guys, it's official. I am clearly the worst steelhead centerpin fisherman who have ever walked the face of this earth. Corey got one today, but we're gonna walk back to the car and I guess I'll talk to you guys a little bit about this nonsense, what I think of it, and how the day went. Alrighty, so we are back. I ended up just getting situated and just getting it together. I dropped Corey off because it was getting dark. And yeah, we'll give you guys an overall recap for the day of how everything went down. So I picked up Corey, we grabbed some center pins, and we headed out to the river for the day. Today was the first official, day for me for steelhead season. I love steelhead fishing. Usually I'm picking up a fly rod or like a drift rod of some sort. I don't center pin fish. If you guys haven't got the hint to begin with, I'm awful at using a center pin. I just like to use them sometimes. I challenge myself with it to try and learn something new. Corey has a couple extras, so I just pick it up every once in a while. Corey did catch one fish. It was a really early fish. I haven't been out much, so I can't tell you exactly how much of a push of fish we've gotten so far. We haven't got too much rain, so I can't imagine there's too many in the rivers yet, or that full flood in the river yet, but at the same time, I haven't been out enough to even experience that. So I don't know. I'm excited. Steelhead season only gets better from here. We'll be doing, all kinds of steelhead content and stuff like that. If you guys like fly fishing, if you guys are big steelhead guys, or you just enjoy trout fishing and stuff like that, leave a comment down below. Let me know who, likes to see that kind of content. Other than that, I'd say successful day. Hey, Corey got a fish. It was a beautiful Sunday to just get out and do some fishing. If you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the links down below. I got Instagram, Twitter, and stuff down there, or maybe I'll pop it up right here for you. Hit me up on Instagram if you guys got any questions or any content ideas or anything like that you want me to address. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.